left a flat iron on, bruh. Congratulate yourselves for making it to another episode of Breakfast with Biddy. If you new, I'm about to start asking people to give you a referral code so you can redeem some points. I'm my own Sephora. Definitely thrifted this robe. It's a Ralph Lauren. You know the girl has to plug it in. Okay, but so boom, you guys asked me to do hauls. I know you like seeing me play in clothes. I like to have clothes to play in, so it's a win-win situation. It's a win-win relationship that we got going on here. And can we just acknowledge my bangs? This is my first time filming in my bang unit. I be finding a lot of the clothes that I buy on Instagram, just browsing through Instagram, not like looking for clothes, but I find new designers via Instagram, and I think it's kind of fire. So I figured I'll do a haul based, oh, look at my earrings. An ode to lemonade, low-key. But yeah, so I figured I'd do a haul dedicated to all the brands that I found by being on Instagram. Like, I didn't go in the store, I didn't go shopping, and I found them all on Instagram. So let's get started. Bitch. I haven't opened any of them yet, and I want to let y'all know how much self-control it takes to not open up new packages when you've been waiting at the door. You know how many times I look the UPS man in the eye? But here they are. So we have Kim Shu, the K label, MISBHV, and PRIX. 4 places. So that's good enough, right? So on MISBHV, one of the items that I did want, they didn't have it in my size anymore on the website, so I had to use my resources and go on Lewis. I mean, I know that I've been buying clothes and stuff from them for some years now, and I never took the care or time to learn how to pronounce it, so just bear with me. Louisa, I don't even know what item to start with. So when MISBHV sends you a package and you're in the United States, it will come via UPS. I got MISBHV tape. That's cute. Tops off to you for the details, because you know a bitch love details. It's such a shame that I'm not going nowhere but to bed after this. But I was like, you know what? Let me be a real one, because, you know, rest in peace, Nipsey Hussle. I can't quit. I gotta keep my work up. Thumbnail tease. The box is cute. I think I'm gonna keep the box. So all that box is just for one t-shirt, just so you know. But treat me like royalty, you heard? And then Louis Vuitton, they bougie too when they send you something. I could have broke my nail just now. I need to stop being a savage and just take my time. Roma, we're just gonna call her Roma. This is what Roma give you. They always give you a box with their name on it wrapped in tape. You always wrap it up in a nice little bow because you are spending coins, so make it look expensive. Thanks. Comes with this on it. If it's broken, you can't return it. I got the bottoms in the medium because I always wanted the shorts that went with my black and white top, but it's always sold out when I have the balls to buy it. And I got the top in the medium also. So I got the sets. Let's try it on. I got everything in the medium actually because one, I'm bloated right now anyway, but you know, the top stops midriff. So I got a small, and this material is gonna shrink after a while. So, you know, I knew my roots when I got this. I knew better. And the bottoms, thank God I got a medium. My butt looks good. Check. These can definitely be worn with heels or no heels. Let me find me a heel. I copped some heels actually. They're like a super low, like mule. They were on sale for $170, like after tax. Like $150 on sale. Obviously I was going cop. They mad regular. How do you feel about her? This is a very casual front wear, you know. Let me suck it in so y'all see. Yeah. You know, it moves with me. Outfits a go. I like the orange bag. The orange bag damn cute. I got the gray 2-piece. I ordered this so long ago. Perfect for spring because you know spring be acting up by nighttime. It's back winter. The material on this feel luxe. This is, I think it's like $100-something. Let's see how much it was. Actually, I'm really scared to be looking to see how much I'll be paying for stuff. So I really don't want to, but for the sake of the video, it got to me in 4 days. 4 days. I was a very brave girl and I got a small in the 2-piece. Let's try this on. Oh my God, I cannot wait. This looks like fever. Okay, so where do we start? First of all, this material on this, it stretches. It don't have stretch, but it got stretch. Like it's right in between, and I'm banging with it. Look at my butt, boy. Are you dumb? What? Lay over the other half when I'm walking in the hood, and I don't want the hood niggas to see it. The bottom is like belled, where it's like perfect for a heel. It may drag because I'm like 5'4". If I was to wear flat with it, let me see if I would have to like flip it up. Child, who's wearing this cup? I can't believe all this cup sweats. What am I thinking? Ah, damn, this is looking like it can only be worn with heels. I need to do some crunches. I'm bloated. Maybe it's because I'm bloated. Let me not rush to the gym too quick. And I love the fact that I don't have to wear them together. A brand gets an A+ for me when I can wear their separates with other things. But sometimes certain things only look good with what it came with. This, I can see me wearing either or and storming. She a little hot, so this ain't making it to summertime. This is summer night. Summer night. Okay? I just can't believe I exist. You know, certain clothes just make you feel like you a queen. This is one of them. How you? But it definitely tried my pussy when I pulled her up because I thought she was gonna fit because it's so tight knit. See, the material is like a, I don't know what it is, like a cord, but a thermal, like it's like a thick thermal, like one of them good old thermals that last you for a decade. Wish you could see my feet. I did want to point out, this is one of them, these are the outfits that you do, you know, the slow, you know, you whine and hurt, you know, twerk. I mean, twerk not too bad, hustle. It's that bend down twerk that ain't doing nothing in these pants, you know, like you guys gotta keep it cute and keep a little jiggle going. That's how tight these are. Oh my God, the bloating. Please know that I love y'all because I'm really recording on a flat tongue. But you know, real bodies, right? We're gonna do the PRIX. Is it PRIX? PRIX. This is the one item that took the longest to get to me and I had to press them, but after I pressed them, a very light press, shipped it out the next morning and got to me like within a day. I don't know, it was very weird. I think it was already on the way, but they never sent me. I don't know. I'm not making excuses for nobody, but I had to ask them what's up with my tracking info. And the bag says it's from China. And then I got the email that says something like something's coming from China. I'm like, I ain't ordering nothing from China. I ain't even doing none of that. So I'm like, okay, what brand is moving Chinese? So immediately when I opened it, there's something like, oh, excuse us. I think it was because it's from a different season. This bag came with like a little, I'm gonna reuse her. She look like a nice wig bag. So I got everything in a size small. Pray for me. The nitro wetsuit. It's in like a charcoal gray. It's like a short bodysuit. I should have got this in a medium. I should have known my roots. Cause my thighs are so thick. It be saying, are you dumb? As soon as I try to try on something like this. The bottom is like scubaed up. Okay, and then I got, this dress is called Oracle. It has the hips cut out, but it's turtleneck and long sleeve. I got one in black and I got one in, I think the color is stone. Child, it could fit across the screen. I'm so scared that it's too short, that it's gonna be one of them dresses that I gotta pull down all the time. But Nipsey would want me to keep going, keep hustling, never quit. Oh, the color's name is Bone. And I got this because it's very rare that that companies have like this nude bone-ish color on dark-skinned women, and like when they model it, and it had a dark-skinned woman on it, and it looked good on her skin, like the contrast looked good on her skin. And if I wasn't shown that it had the possibility to look good on me, I would have never got it. So I'm very, very grateful that the PRIX workshop use a dark skin model to model this color on their website. Simple task that they did, but I mean, I don't want to give kudos for, you know, applaud a fish for swimming, but sometimes you gotta just, you know, give people encouragement so that they know they're on the right path. It's like a thick material. It don't feel like a cheap kind of material. Like, it feels like a good up turtleneck. It feels like the turtleneck that, you know, you keep around for a minute. So this is the colorways that I got: charcoal, black, and bone. That just sounds like a nigger ass fire. I'm type scared. Look at the bloating already showing up for her shift. Girl, clock out. You was here long enough. Tight. It's like scuba for real, for real. I could have got this in medium. Yeah, I'm about to break you up. Oh, she tight. Oh no, she trying to cut off my circulation. But I'll tell you one thing that's gonna keep her from riding up. I'll give her that, but she hurts my thighs. Look at my thighs screaming. They're like, girl, please relax. Okay, so here is the bodysuit. My thighs are gagging, literally stretching out the stitching on purpose to accommodate my thighs. We already knew she was gonna be major. Then she good to twerking. Okay, you know the movement. Let me just stretch real quick. My thighs was like, we never signed up for no shit like this. The label up against the top. I can't wait till I don't have my bloating. But you get the gist. Oh my god, this will look mad cute with my Hummerling jacket. Hold on. Nobody asked for the styling, but will I get it? Always. Oh my god, this looks so cute together. So do me a favor and act like you never saw this outfit. Do me a favor when you see me put these together. Mind your business, look the other way, cross the street. Okay? I should have been playing Meg Thee Stallion when I had this on. Matter of fact, it ain't too late. Never been scared of money. Never let them take nothing from me. Never, ever. She thinks she bad, but I'm better. These bitches trying to play catch up. Shut the fuck up when I'm talking no bitch. Ain't done nothing. Put my arm in. Okay, I said the material not cheap, but she tight. Oh Lord. Okay. We almost there, baby. Yeah, give yourself a pep talk through the clothes. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, I think my hips is a little ashy, so mind your business. I could have maybe got this in the medium. Like, the small fits me. The small dead fits me. I'm not saying it's not fitting me, but what I'm packing back here, if I had the material come down to here and stay here, would be fire. Probably wear a little oversized jacket with this. I probably would have done better in a medium. I may exchange it for a medium. We like her and we like her too. Should have totally got a medium. It's just not long enough. You don't go partying in this dress. One, it's turtleneck and long sleeve. You're gonna die of a forest fire within yourself. That's first off. She performs well with a heel on. I still stand by the possible usage of a medium. Me being bloated has something to do with it stretching outward like this, but like in general, she's fire. I just want to add that I do not have a fresh Brazilian right now, and it stops right before the place where you need to be having a wax, so no shade. If you skipped your wax or you missed your appointment that week, this dress don't discriminate. Last but not least, because I picked it up, I didn't really have packaging for it, but it's the Kim shoe dress. It's next. Neck to ankle It's a full-length tie-dye dress, and the material is so soft and fire. When they say size small, this is what I'm thinking it should feel like. No shade to PRIX. PRIX was nice designs, but that sizing was made for people that skip 4 meals. Like, baby, relax. Like, that was a tight one. Okay, so I'm gonna try on the tie-dye dress, and I've worn it already, and it hugs me like a glove in the proper way. It's not rude, it's not invasive. It comes on time and it clocks out on time as well. Okay, and if you need her to do a little bit of extra credit, she'll do it for you. But she's not trying to you know, you are like, don't say it. Don't say it. I know I look good. I know winter's over, but like, yeah. She just hugs. She accentuates. She adores me. Kim Shu is expensive. It's touching me in places where I feel why I know why it's $400. I mean, I don't feel why. Yeah, come on, give me a break. It's not too stretchy. It's not too tight. It elongates. You know I love when my dress elongates over my hands, child. Oh, it's a story. All the way to my feet. Do you see that? What did I do to deserve? Oh my God, and the twerk in it is so fire. Okay, we made it to the end. What was y'all favorite pieces? What was y'all's favorite piece? What was that? I think my favorite was, I think that the K label was probably my favorite. See myself dotting and bopping in that MISBHV though. Y'all see what time it is? Don't think I don't love y'all. It's time to go. But I'm also going to do a black designer haul. So far I'm gonna do Hanifa, I think it's pronounced J Blank. I think a couple like little indie ones I found, but if y'all have any black designers that y'all wanted me to try on stuff, please drop them in the comment section down below so we can, you know, show our good people some light. I think I'm gonna always continue to do brands I find on Instagram. I'm gonna keep saying this every time. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. We want everybody to have breakfast, lunch, and dinner with Biddy. Like, you feel me? Like, how'd y'all like me using my new camera? Did you like it? The quality looks fire or no? I'm giving YouTuber. It's time to go. It's time to go. Yes.